Welcome! In today's discussion, I am Sir Dave from Perelos National High School, and I will be here to help you on how to solve problems involving permutations and combinations. Are you ready? How about your pen and paper? Great! Now, let's begin a fun and exciting lesson. This lesson, you are expected to
examine and determine the number of possible ways of doing certain tasks or selecting some objects from a set. Solve problems involving permutations and combinations. Math I know. Choose the letter that you think best answers the question. Please answer all the items. Math it is. What is permutation? Permutation is an arrangement where order is important. And what is combination? A combination is an arrangement where order is not important. In how many ways can 5 books be arranged on a bookshelf in the library? Permutation. Very good. In how many ways can 3 student council members be elected from 5 candidates? Combination. Very good. 7 students line up to sharpen their pencils. Permutation. Very good. A DJ will play 3 CD choices from the 5 requests. Combination. Very good. The permutation of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by P of n of r is equal to n factorial all over the quantity of n minus r factorial, where n must be greater than or equal to r. The permutation of n objects taken all at a time is P of n is equal to the n factorial. For example, a math debating team consists of 4 speakers. In how many ways can all 4 speakers be arranged in a row for a photo? Solution. Where n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 4. So, replace the value of n and r to the formula, and that is P of 4 is equal to 4 factorial all over the quantity of 4 minus 4 factorial, and that is equal to 24. Why 24? Well, it is because when we say 4 factorial, that is the same as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 24. So therefore, there are 24 ways can all 4 speakers be arranged in a row for a photo. In how many ways can the captain and vice captain be chosen? Here's the solution. Replace n to 4 and r is to 2. So replace the value of n and r to the formula, and that is P of 4 of 2 is equal to 4 factorial all over the quantity of 4 minus 2 factorial. So we have here 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1. So that is 24 divided by 2, and that is 12. Therefore, there are 12 ways can the captain and the vice captain be chosen. Combination. The combinations of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by C of n of r is equal to n factorial all over r factorial times the quantity of n minus r factorial, such that n must be greater than or equal to r and r must be greater than or equal to 0. Example number 1. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people? Here's the solution. Using the formula, n is equal to 8 and r is equal to 4. So let's go back to the formula of the combination and replace the value of n and r. So that is C of 8 of r is equal to 8 factorial all over 4 factorial times the quantity of 8 minus 4 factorial, and that is 8 factorial all over 4 factorial times 4 factorial, and that is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, cancel all common factors. So that is equal to 7 times 2 times 5. And that is 14 times 5 is equal to 70. So therefore, there are 70 ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people. Example number 2. In how many ways can a basketball team of 5 players be chosen from 8 players? Here's the solution. N is equal to 8 players, meaning the total number of players. And R is equal to 5 players, the number of players to be selected. So that is C of 8 of 5 is equal to 8 factorial all over 5 factorial times the quantity of 8 minus 5 factorial. So that will be 8 factorial all over 5 factorial times 3 factorial. And 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1, and cancel all common factors. So the remaining will be 8 times 7 times 6 all over 3 times 2 times 1. That is equal to 336 all over 6. And the final answer will be 56. So therefore, there are 56 ways can a basketball team of 5 players be chosen from 8 players.
I hope everything is clear, and I know you're very excited for the next part of this lesson.
Much more. Solve the following permutation and combination problems.
Now, it's your turn to apply what you have learned in solving word problems involving permutations and combinations.
Identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question.
great job! And congratulations in doing your best. And that's it, grade 10 learners. And I hope in today's discussion has been very helpful and very fruitful. Again, I am Sir Dave from Perelos National High School. See you next time and goodbye.
Thank you.